In this video, we are going to learn how to turn on and off notifications in your Ace Crypto account. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Now, make sure that you are logged into your account. You can enter your PIN here, or you can type in your password on this field here. After that, click on Login button to log into your account. Now, you can see three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After that, at the second last option, you can see Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab. Now, scroll down a little bit and you can see Notifications tab, which is right under Options tab here. After clicking on notifications, you can see two toggles. If you disable the first toggle, you won't get the marketing alerts from Ace Crypto. Or if you disable the second toggle, you won't get the price alerts. If you want to get both of these alerts, simply turn on these toggles. So that is how you can turn on and off notifications in Ace Crypto account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.